a brand new spiritual storyteller series for helpers, healers, spiritual seekers, and enlightened entrepreneurs. This is Ian, and I'm from Mindful Marketplace. We are announcing a new project and platform that we're really excited about in April of 2021, where we'll be sharing all sorts of exceptional, spiritually transformative experiences from our members, our friends, our peers, our readers, subscribers, and even some of our clients who surprisingly have shared these incredibly transformative experiences that have surprised us and inspired us and really encouraged us to want to look deeper and dive more intimately into these experiences and how they've transformed our lives. So we have people who have shared near-death experiences or deep meditative experiences, spontaneous awakenings, out-of-body and astral travel adventures, and even incredible healings that have completely transformed the lives of those who've had these brief or even lifelong encounters with the magical, the meaningful, and the mysterious. If you are interested in sharing your own wild or weird or crazy, cool, or just wonderful experiences with our community, it doesn't matter what sort of experiences. If they have transformed your life and they feel like they would be of value to others, we would love to hear about them. Our entire community is built on the notion of the bodhisattva, or the person who has touched or tasted enlightenment or this incredible awakening, but has come back and returned to share their insight, their learnings, and really their experience with the rest of us in the service of helping us wake up as well. And it's really been an amazing adventure. We have a podcast coming. We have a book coming that's going to share some of our favorite experiences. This should be probably out in May, I hope. And we're hoping to do one of these every few months, simply because the need is so now. There's such a fierce urgency to share these sorts of uplifting, empowering, encouraging, and inspiring stories with the world. And these are not gurus or people who are well known or people who are looking to be on Oprah or to have their own, TV show. These are ordinary people who've had extraordinary experiences, and those extraordinary experiences are full of incredible wisdom. The words and the work and the wisdom that emanates from these stories really is a transformative thing to partake in. So I would like to invite you, as either a listener or a subscriber or someone who wants to join our community as a reader. We would love to have you. And if you are somebody who's had a cool or crazy, wild, weird, or wonderful experience, and you would like to share that with the world, if you feel called to bring that story into the awareness of hundreds or thousands or even millions of other people, we would love to invite you to join us. Send an email to ian@mindfulmarketplace.com, or you can visit community.mindfulmarketplace.com to learn about this new spiritual storyteller series and to learn how you can join us as either a participant or as a storyteller yourself. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. I really hope you'll join us. We're really excited about it, and I thank you for listening.